Computer, turn on all the lights.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, let's go to work and make a guitar. Y'all ready? What we're going to do today is, let me show you. We'll go out and shop. How y'all doing today? Today is the day. We're going to put this chunk on this big old slab of wood and we're going to start cutting. So we're going to cut this thing out today. So hey, hang around. Let's get it done. What do you think? Let's make a guitar out of this thing. What I got here is I got this body and it's going to fit just fine to get one right out of that end. So I'm just going to go ahead and butt it up here because I don't think there's anything bad here I'm going to lose. So I think we're just going to go right there, guys. Now, I believe I'm going to put a couple of screws in it. That looks like about right. We're going to lock this template down. This is this piece of Sycamore. You'll see all the straining in it and everything there. That's kind of mine. So we're going to line this up right here, and we're going to put a couple screws in it to hold it down. Okay, I better probably remove this out of here so I don't have to deal with it. I don't want to break that. Right. Let's go ahead. Yep, I got it. Anyway, let's raise that up a little bit. Make it a little safer. I don't want to dig through so much of it on that first run. Alright. One big chunk of Sycamore. That thick. Let's go put it on the table and make a guitar. I can tell you this, it's a lot easier to carry now. I got it trimmed down to a more manageable size here, guys. I'm going to line this back up, put these screws back in these holes I made. Ain't gonna be today, it's Thanksgiving Day. Okay, now we got that what we want. What we want to do is we want to get this thing cut down, and before I start sanding and doing all that to it and working it, flattening it and everything, I want to get it to shape. Because for me, it's easier to work with a piece this size than it is this size. So we're going to do that first, okay? So I'm going to have to cut it with the bandsaw, and well, this bandsaw is going to be at its limit, but we're going to give it a shot. So let's set this sucker up in bandsaw mode. You have to change the Shopsmith from one thing to another, but it does like 7 operations. So let me give myself a little room here to work. Okay. There we go. Now, got that. We're going to lock it down where it quit moving on us. I don't see a reason I just can't leave all that where it is. Just let this wheel in so it ain't in the way. Y'all see what I just did? I had this blade down here. I just let it back out of the way, so now it can spin all at once. It's not going to hurt anything. We're going to loosen this. We're going to loosen this lock up right here on the slide. Then we're going to get us a shaft that I made on a 3D printer. We're going to use that to connect that and this, and push them together like this. Shove up. Make sure it ain't binding. Good. We're going to lock this thing down here so the machine won't move this way. Test run. Jigsaw. See this? This was set to run on the jigsaw. I can turn it up. I'm going to go a little bit higher. cut go a little better. That's what we're going to do. Now y'all know, I'm fixing to put this thing in fast forward so y'all can watch this real fast, and there won't be a lot of it. I'm just going to show a few seconds of it. So, hey, hang on, watch it go. We're going to get it cut. I guess we're about to find out how this bandsaw deals with big, thick wood, you know? So first thing I'm going to do is not make the mistake I made the other day, and I'm going to lower this down where it can do some good. I'm going to turn it on. And then when it's going to start, I'll wiggle it down. No rush. Okay, I got it rough trimmed. Let's take the router to it and clean it up. Caught it. Okay, now it's time to watch the magic happen when this comes off. Just to make it look good. Okay, let's get the rest of this. We got a little bit more here and we'll be done. Right now, I'm going to run it through the sander one time and just kind of flatten it out real good before I start working on it. So we got to set up the sander. Now that ain't a real bad process, but it has to be done. So, y'all ready? Let's get it done. Here we go. Well, let's loosen this up. Make this easier to handle. Loosen this. Goes loose from the table. It comes out. put washer, a faucet nut for a spacer, and a wing nut right here on the bottom. Now, we'll put that back on there like that. And we can run this back over. Close enough. Now, we extend the quill out till it hits that hole. Rock it. I think that'll probably work. Let's send it through one time and see what it looks like. Okay, I got this piece of sycamore here cut out on the front, and check out that back, guys. Yeah, that's pretty. So I got it cut out, big old thick piece. I'm gonna mark it out. I'm gonna hollow out this side and make it really kind of lightweight and thin. So see what I can do to get it lightened up.